What does it take to install an elevator safely and efficiently? At Fast Elevator, we have mastered the process, and today we are breaking it down step by step. Hey there! Welcome back to Fast Elevator, where we lift the industry standards literally. I am your name. And today, we are taking you behind the scenes to show how a brand new elevator gets installed from scratch. Stick around, this is engineering at its finest. Before we start, the site must be prepped. That means, first, surveying the shaft, checking dimensions and structural support. Second, delivering components, cars, rails, motors, and control systems. Third, safety checks, because cutting corners, not an option. Now the real work begins. We install guide rails, aligned to perfection for smooth travel. Hydraulic or electric drive system, the engine of your elevator. Control wiring, the brains of the operation. Finally, we mount the cabin. Custom interiors happen here. Test safety systems, emergency brakes, sensors, and alarms. Run over 100 test cycles because reliability is non-negotiable. And that is how Fast Elevator does it, combining precision, safety, and speed. Want to see more? Smash that like button if you learned something. Subscribe for behind-the-scenes tech breakdowns. Comment below, what elevator topic should we cover next?